actually, after Alif Allah or Insan, you deserve that degree.
I think I've
After
earned the
that
right to
serial.
go back and
I think
study.
what I saw it, and I
Did you
think
like
what you
it?
put in it. I've seen other plays also, but I think there's something happened in that serial.
Something did happen.
क्या हुआ था?
It was a state of mind going in. So I'd done a film prior to it, which never released. And I was really, really disheartened because I feel I'd done a good job in it. I'd worked really hard. And I remember I was really upset and I got the role. And I'd been waiting for a role like Alif, like Rani for the longest time. This type of a role comes once in a blue moon.
Yes,
you know that.
absolutely.
It's
वो
like
एक ही
if you're
दफा आता है.
lucky enough to have
Yeah.
it, you better not ruin it. You
Yes.
better give it your 100%. So I spoke to Jawad Bhai, who directed my film, and I said, I'm so nervous. This film didn't come out, and I've wasted a year, and I don't know what to do, and I don't know if I can do this. And he just said, forget everything and just put everything you have in this character. And so I did. I studied it like a lot before I went there. I observed the way a lot of the beggars walk, and then I had the most fantastic director, Ehsan Talish, who was amazing to work with. He really helped me a lot. And I thought, okay, I'm not going to be Ushna, I'm going to be Rani in every sense of the word. And I built that character. And I think everything that I'd been learning in the last 4 years, I sort of put in that. And now I'm even more nervous because now the next serial I do, people are going to expect the same thing.
Yeah.
So it's also, what I'm doing now is also a very complicated character. But I'm scared because if I don't do as good a job as I did in Alif Allah.
कितने दिन रानी रही तुम्हारे साथ?
रानी मेरे साथ बहुत देर रही, ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा रही. रानी निकली नहीं काफ़ी देर. बट रानी भी मॉर्फ करती है ड्रामे के अंदर, रीना बेगम बन जाती है. तो रानी स्टक विद मी. हमने कुछ बड़े मज़े की चीज़ें की उस ड्रामे में. सो हमने एक चीज़ दैट रियली ब्रोक माई हार्ट, हमने क्या किया कि आई आस्क्ड एहसन भाई, इट वाज हिज आइडिया एज वेल, कि हम कैमरे छुपाते हैं एंड हम लोगों को बताते नहीं हैं दैट वी आर शूटिंग सम ऑफ द ओपनिंग सीन्स फॉर रानी. एंड आई वाज इन गेटअप, आई हैड stuff in my teeth, had a unibrow and gande baal, and I went on the streets to beg in real life, and the cameras were hidden, and there were people there for security in normal clothes, but nobody knew. So when I was asking people for money or food, the way they treated me, and with complete disregard, they didn't know who I was, and just as if I wasn't there, and it really opened my eyes to the way, because we can try to be polite, but we're very dismissive of a lot of the people who come to beg and the paupers because we're so desensitized. Pakistan's full of them. So how much empathy can you have?
Yeah.
But then when I saw the way I was almost invisible and I was treated like, one of those old lepers in like old India where anchut ki tarah nahi hote the untouchables, the way I was treated for even like 20 minutes, I remember just breaking down, and it was a very tough experience. And then when they realized there was a shoot and I was Ushna, phir tasveerein lene aa gaye wohi log. And I was like, oh my God, imagine.
Heartbreaking.
It was heartbreaking.
And also I think it just opened up to the reality. Yeah?
Absolutely, and it was important. I'll never look at people on the streets the same way again.
It is a life-changing experience.
It is. We can pretend that we
अब
can.
क्या करेगी उष्णा? अब कैसे after रानी वो scripts को पढ़ते वक्त क्या सोचेगी?
I haven't done anything since Alif Allah for this very reason, because whatever came my way was not a challenge anymore, and you only want to go up from where you were before. So now what I'm doing is somewhat of a complex character.
अब तो
उष्णा कंगाल हो गई हमको ना क्या कि I don't want to do this, I don't want to do this. Now I'm like, and now people are like, okay भांजी हम ना करें कुछ, अब घर बैठे. But I'm really lucky. What I'm doing next seems really fun. Very different from Rani, but I'm nervous again. But you know the process.
Yeah, but लेकिन फिर भी जब आप एक ऐसा काम कर ले जिसमें इतने shades हो, इतने dimensions हो, फिर आप फिर I think you mature as an actor.
You do, and I hope कि writers अब और ऐसे roles लिखें, because पिछले कुछ सालों में नहीं लिखे जा रहे हैं. Like I remember इरसा का जो ज़माना था, when your lot was coming in leads and all in the 90s, 80s. The characters were really fun.
Yeah.
Those are really good characters. And 99% of my work has been, as a lead actress, somebody who's making tea and crying over a rishta that's gone. Because that's mostly what's written.
Yeah.
So I hope people learn from this, and I think people are. अब अच्छे बनना
They
शुरू
write
हो गए.
about a woman's journey, her
A woman's
struggles,
journey, exactly.
and of course,
And the fact there's no such thing as a good woman or a bad woman.
yeah, it's just a journey.
It's just a journey.
Yeah.
We're so complicated. Women are such complex beings. It's insulting.
तो thinking actor होना मुश्किल काम नहीं है उष्णा? Isn't it more complicated?
To be a
complicated.
To be a thinking
complicating.
actor. Complicating. To be a thinking actor.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it gets you in a lot of trouble.
I know.
Gets me in a lot of trouble. I used to be a bit too blunt for my own good, and I remember you sat me down and you gave me that lecture when I was really, I remember it had gotten to me the 45 days, and I remember you said, "Okay, you're so intelligent. Girls don't think the way you do. I've spoken to you. Why are you wasting that? You need to control yourself." So I'm hoping with age I'm able to do that.
No,
more.
I think हम एक मकसद के लिए आते हैं.
In each
और
other's
वो
lives,
कैरेक्टर है जिसको हमने जिंदा करना है. उसमें फिर आपकी अपनी जात नहीं मैटर करती, you know?
Absolutely.
It's nothing is about you.
It's
about
the
that
character.
person that you're going to portray.
Absolutely.
So if you're going to take that energy that you're supposed to put in that character and just throw it around,
Exactly.
so then you're wasting that poor girl, whoever you're going to portray, her energy away.
Completely agree. And you helped me so much playing Sakina.
Because focus.
You were so much in Apuji. Can I tell a story about what you did? Oh, this is so funny. Okay.
What did I do?
This is so cute. You were so Apuji. I remember जब आपके रोने वाले scenes होते थे. So sometimes you'd get really sad and you'd either like have a little tiff with Naeem uncle or Adnan bhai. And they were like silly tiffs, Apuji type of tiffs. And you would go in a corner and just be sad because you were so in character. And then I remember once, pata nahi koi baat hui, and I was like, we had to wash our own clothes while we were there because we didn't have any help. And so I was like, okay, I have to wash my socks and all. So I need like a brush. Am I supposed to do it with my hand? And you were like, oh, so you can't do it with your hand? You're a princess. And I said, okay. And I left. And then you chased after me and you said, I don't know why I did that. I'm so in character. I'm so sorry. Give me a I'm like, it's okay, Samira. And you were like in tears. You're like, I'm so sorry, Ushna.
I remember that.
That was so cute. And I just couldn't stop laughing. I was like, man, this lady's adorable.
That is so true. I do.
That was really funny. But yeah, you really go into your characters. That's a really cool thing that you do, yeah.
फिर उस पे बड़ा वक्त लगता है to come out of them. बड़ा. How do you unwind? For Rani, how did you come out of it? Because I could see that. And you know when you were playing the beggar, I said, ये तो इसको तो बहुत मुश्किल पड़ेगी. मैंने देखा, मैंने कहा ये कहाँ चली गई है? और तुम चली गई थी.
मैं चली गई थी, and it was in a way.
I love the way you developed it. बाकी मैंने दूसरा नहीं देखा.
Rani was actually parallel with a very sort of. It was also parallel with something that was happening to me personally. So I was going through like a sort of testing period personally while I was playing that character. So as I was evolving into Reena Begum, I was going through certain events in my life that, you know, we all go through these chaotic periods that sort of begin the new chapter. So while I was going through that, Rani was evolving and she was turning into Reena.